For the second year in a row, Eclipse Family Day in Hungary was a huge success. Employees and their families enjoyed a beautiful sunny day full of laughter, contests, and cheer. 11 teams took to the kettles for the cooking competition, including one formed by Hungarian Accenture Industry X colleagues. Kids enjoyed craft activities, wooden games, and face painting to balance out their energy after the endless jumps in the bouncy castle. Adults had fun too, with bull riding, table soccer, and taking in the musical talents of their colleagues. Colorful and creative prizes were shared amongst the kids who entered the drawing competition in 3 age groups, as well as awarding the top 2 cooking teams. All in all, this was a day of smiles, delicious food, family time, and memorable moments shared together as a team, which is the heart of organization these days.